In the high-stakes chess game of aerial combat, U.S. fighter pilots and their aircraft use a layered blend of sensing, stealth, electronics, tactics, and pilot skill to evade enemy missiles, and it all begins well before weapons clear the rail. First, situational awareness is created by a network of sensors, AESA radars, infrared search and track systems, radar warning receivers, data-linked platforms such as AWACS, JSTARS, and other friendly fighters that fuse information so crews can detect and classify threats at the earliest possible moment and make decisions before an adversary can achieve a firing solution. When a missile threat is detected, aircraft exploit signature management and stealthy tactics. Low observable design reduces the probability of detection at long range. Terrain masking and formation geometry limit exposure. And emission control, EMCON. Procedures minimize radar and radio signatures, so an enemy radar has less time or data to cue a missile. If a launch is imminent or confirmed, electronic warfare becomes central. Onboard electronic attack suites can jam or deceive the seeker by injecting false signals, shifting frequencies, or presenting a false target track. Dedicated jammers on board or escorted by electronic attack aircraft can blind or confuse radar-guided missiles, while missile approach warning systems identify infrared-guided threats. Kinematic and maneuvering responses are equally critical. Fighters are built for high instantaneous turn rates and acceleration, so pilots can execute defensive maneuvers, brake turns, high G-pulls, barrel rolls, or sudden dives that exploit the missile's turn capability and energy limits, forcing it to lose lock or run out of energy before impact. These maneuvers are trained extensively in simulators and live flight exercises, so pilots instinctively use the right countermaneuver for the missile. Type and launch geometry. Physical countermeasures are practical and time-tested. Chaff clouds create radar reflective clutter to decoy radar-guided missiles, while flares are deployed as alternate infrared sources to lure heat-seeking seekers away from the aircraft's exhaust signature. Modern dispensers time sequences and patterns of chaff and flares to maximize confusion and minimize predictor algorithms' effectiveness. Integrated defensive systems also automate threat response, millisecond decision loops, link sensors to countermeasure, dispensers and flight control, aid so dispensers fire and autopilot assist while the pilot focuses on tactical positioning, dramatically reducing reaction time against high-speed threats. Beyond individual aircraft, tactics at the formation and mission level reduce vulnerability. Mutual support means fighters cover each other's blind spots. Escort fighters and electronic attack platforms create protective bubbles. And mission planning incorporates threat maps and standoff distances to keep aircraft outside known engagement zones when possible. Advances in soft